Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to share your document that you have created on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and then you should select your document that you have created, and after that tap on this share button in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on share and in a few seconds you will be able to set the access of your document, so the share link with anyone, so you can share it with anyone, as you can see if you tap on this first button, or you can also share it with the people you select. And you can type in the name or email address of the person or the people you would like to share this document with, and then you can type in an additional message, and if you are done just tap on the send button and then it will be sent. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.